Hello friends, Happy New Year. First of all, I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. We took a little break over here on YouTube for the holidays, but we're back and ready to go. Today we're actually taking a closer look at a project that we worked on last year. It's a cookbook stand, so if you missed the full tutorial, I'll be sure to link it in the video description so you can see how to build it. But today we're specifically looking at just one tool that we used in the build, and that is the 730 by Kreg. And it's a drill block that makes a smaller pocket hole on when you're using the 720 Pro pocket hole jig. So the situation we ran into, which you'll see in the video today, is we needed just a slightly smaller pocket hole. So we're going to teach you how to use that tool today. And of course, we'll be sure to link it in the video description. But I wanted to just pop on here first and say hello, Happy New Year, and we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That way you'll get updated every week when we publish our new video. We share a DIY or renovating video every Wednesday, and we would love it if you guys would comment below and let us know what you want to see this year. So we are working on our content plan for all of our videos this year, so just hop in the comments below, let us know what you want to see, and we'll try to turn it into a video just for you. All right, enjoy. So we are working on a new project with Kreg. So that means the woodworking plans will be available for you when we're all done. I'm really excited about this one. It's a cookbook stand, and it's perfect for Mother's Day, which is right around the corner. And look at this fun little design. It looks like a house. So, so excited about this project. But as we're working on it, we ran into something that I wanted to just quickly show you. So we tested it out on some scrap where the pocket hole regularly lines up to using our Kreg. This is the 720 Pro. And the little piece for the bottom of the cookbook stand that goes right here is just a little too small to use the pocket hole as is. So you can see here, it's just gonna, it's a little too far out. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna switch out this drill block for this micro pocket hole drill guide, and this is to be used with the 700 series like we have, and this makes a smaller pocket hole for situations just like this. Thing to keep in mind when you are using that micro pocket hole jig or block that we just showed you is that you'll also need a different type of screw. So we usually use these project kits where it just comes with a variety of screws. So you're going to want to look for the pan head screw type, and a 1-inch size is what we'll be using. Replacing the drill block on the 720 Pro is really easy. You just push those gray buttons on each side and then pop the new one into place and just make sure it clicks so it's nice and secure. And then you'll want to set up your drill bit according to the material thickness. I love this easy set one where it has the etchings on the side. Next, you can drill your pocket hole just as you normally would with your drill guide until it gets to that stop collar, and there you go. All right, so you can see it's like uber close, but it just made it with that micro pocket hole. So the pocket hole is not shown from the front, and they're on the bottom, so we're good to go. So since we used the micro pocket hole on this cookbook stand, we needed to use the micro size pocket hole plugs, and we didn't have these on hand, so we ordered some of these because we've never used that small little micro pocket hole jig before. So these are the two plugs we got. We got the paint grade and the oak ones. That would be for like if you're going to stain it, and then if you're going to paint it. So what we're going to do for a finish on this is, I think, a white or a gray wash. So I'll be sure to walk you through all the steps as I do that, because that'll be a fun look for this project. But you definitely will want to pick up the right size plug if you're using that micro pocket hole jig. Here's a closer look at how that cookbook stand turned out. So if you want to build this, feel free to hop on over to the full tutorial where you can download the plans and learn how to make that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video all about the micro pocket hole drill guide, that 730, which goes with the 720 Pro. So when you do buy it, it also does come with a drill bit, so that's pretty nice. So if you guys run into a situation where you need to drill a slightly smaller pocket hole, I hope you grab one of these because they're really easy to use and it's a great accessory to add on with your 720. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and then watch this video next. All right, we will see you next week.